Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw another Pokemon named Chespin. So let's start by drawing an oval for his face. Okay, and then around the face are these triangular details that are brown. So let's just draw a triangle right there at the top, and then another one on the right cheek and one on the left cheek. Alright, so he's got an upside down soft cornered triangle for a nose, and two oval eyes, and we'll go ahead and darken that, leaving a highlight in the middle. Or it could be that his iris is actually black, but his pupil is white. Either way, we'll leave the center section white, and then we'll just give him a nice smile here. Just a little curve. So now we'll draw the outline of his head, but first he's got these 4 spikes that come off. So right here off to the side, we'll just draw a long oval and another one on the other side right here. Okay, so now we can start drawing the outline of his head. So starting right here, we're going to run into that oval, and then we're going to go around, getting wider away from this face line as we go up. And we'll stop right there, and we'll do the same thing on this side. I'll start from the top this time, from here. Let's draw this oval, and it's getting closer to the face and meets at the chin. Alright, so the reason I didn't continue this all the way is because he's got these 2 other spikes, and we'll continue it inside that outline. So from here, we'll just draw a big oval, partial oval, and another one on this side. Okay. Now we're going to continue this line behind that spike up to right about there and stop, and we'll continue this line as well. And the reason I stopped there is because we're also going to show another 3 spikes. So let's start here first. Go up and back. We'll continue this line a little bit, and we'll do the other spike here. It's a 3 spike thing that's actually on the back of his head. And one more spike. So now let's draw his left foot. We're going to draw a big oval right here. And we'll draw the foot first because it's going to be in front of the body. Okay, and we'll separate the front, the claws, from the back of the foot with just a line that goes straight across, and then a line here that separates his 2 claws. Draw an oval here for the bottom of the foot, and now we can draw the body. So we're gonna go down and then start curving up to the heel. So go down, start curving it up to the bottom of the heel, and then the other side of the body will be right here. Just indicate that with a short line. and then there'll be a line separation between the back and the front. So this is the belly. So I'm going to continue this curve a little ways from the original line, and this will indicate the back, like that. Next, we'll draw the tail. It's going to go straight out here, kind of a cone. So just draw a soft curve, and then round out the tail a little bit, and then come back. Again, there's a separation between colors. The tip of the tail is red or orange. So let's just draw a partial circle there. Next, let's draw the other foot. It's going to come down this way, and then back. Once again, we'll separate the claws by drawing a line first, and then separate the claws. Alright, so next let's draw the arms. These are just simple arms that come out a little bit thicker at the end and then come back. So here, go out, round out the end, and then start coming back, narrowing it down to the shoulder. And we'll do the same on this side. Go behind the claws there, go out, start rounding it out, and then head back. He's got 3 fingers, so just a couple short lines will separate those easily. A couple lines on the other side. Next, I'm going to draw some shadow lines. There'll be like a cast shadow here underneath the head, so we'll just indicate that with that, and then like a shadow line for the body here and the tail. And this just indicates how, if the light was coming from the left, this part of the body is lighter color, and then this part would be in shade. It's called form shadow. And then we'll draw a line here, and this part here would be a cast shadow, where the body, the belly, throws a shadow onto the foot. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of outlining. So there you go. This was Chespin, another Pokemon. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.